In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a cart link from Shein on a PC, using some simple and effective methods. Even though, as of 2025, the Shein desktop version doesn't offer a direct share my bag feature in many regions, there's no need to worry. I've got some easy workarounds that will allow you to share your favorite fashion finds with friends in no time. First, let's explore the manual method of sharing product links directly from your cart. Begin by navigating to Shein's website, which you can do by typing in shein.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, locate the shopping bag icon, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it to open your cart. Now you'll see all the items you've added. For each item you wish to share, click on the item's name or photo. This action will take you to the detailed product page, where you can find all the specifics about the garment or accessory. Once you're on the product page, look at the top of your browser window and click on the URL in the address bar. Highlight the entire link and copy it. Here's a pro tip. If you're planning to share multiple links, it's handy to paste each copied link into a digital notepad or draft email so you can keep them organized. Once you've gathered all the URLs, you can share them via message, email, or any platform of your choice. This way, when your friend receives the links, they can easily click on them and view exactly what you're considering in your cart. To enhance your sharing experience, ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues with Shein's site. This method is particularly useful when you want to showcase specific items to someone, whether you're seeking their opinion or planning a coordinated purchase. With these steps, sharing your Shein cart is straightforward, even without a built-in sharing feature. It's all about leveraging the available tools and a bit of creativity to achieve the same result. Enjoy sharing your style with friends, and happy shopping!